Guys, I'm showing you this Rocksocky electronic drum set. It's a 9 packs with LED lights, Bluetooth portable electronic drum kit, it's a roll-up practice drum pad, and the built-in dual speakers. It have also a headphones and can be a good gift for the kids. So this is the unboxing. So this is in the box. So it's the pedal, like the foot pedal. So two foot pedals, two sticks, charging cable, headphones, and the pad itself. So there's a 9 pad here, as you can see. There's a handle also and the buttons on the top. You can just use this cable. And just to mention, this is a rechargeable battery inside. So you can charge it and then you don't need the power cable anymore. So the volume button, the pedal button, everything is all marked, so you can just add in all the accessories. This have a good LED colorful lights and have the dual speakers that I will show you. And this is a multi-function with the volume and the easy setting up. You can have like a 10 songs and the 7 rhymes with the 7 tones and a recording feature as well. The other thing is you can give this headphones to the kid, like if you don't want a good noise in the house. So good two wooden sticks just to play with the drum. You can just take it anywhere and you can see like this light up on the top. There are two speakers here. So bright light and a nice drum set here to play and enjoy. The other thing is you can also connect it through the Bluetooth, like you can play a music, and you can also record your play tune in through the record button. So you can see like this vibrant 9 pad here, and the pedals will be lit in the bottom, so you can use your feet for that. And you can also, of course, use your hand, like if you have more fun using it manually. So here are all the tones and the demo here, and then you can control the volume and everything. So say if this charging cable is out, it can still run on the battery. So just say if I remove all this pattern stuff, I can still use it. Easy to carry with this portable hand or the handle. And then it's pretty nice and loud, or I will say a good theme music. So the kids really enjoyed playing with the drum and then the drum set here. And you can put it anywhere you want, outdoor, indoor, table, floor, and the kids can have fun along with it with a rechargeable battery. So hope your kids can also have fun with this drum pad, and it's a really waterproof quality that easy to wipe and clean and then use multiple time as and when you want it. With the pedal, it's more fun for the kids, but of course you need a lot of practice to do that, but it's still a fun game.